I just got a $15 no deposit bonus account, and as you can see, you can start trading with it. So I'll be showing you how you can get yours as well. Now, showing on the screen, you don't have to make any deposit to withdraw from this particular platform. You don't have to make any deposit to make withdraw. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is their support. Now, to make withdrawals from this particular platform, you don't have to make any deposit. Showing on the screen, you don't have to make deposit. And to get this particular bonus too, you don't have to make deposit to get this bonus. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video to get the step-by-step guide on how you can get this particular bonus. And I'll also be telling you the terms and conditions required to make withdrawals from this particular platform. Of latest now, we've been getting withdrawals from the no deposit bonus that have been dropping. As you can see right showing on the screen, these are the withdrawal proofs that have been going on and on and on from the no deposit bonus, the free follow account that we've been dropping back to back on this channel. Go to my Telegram channel and check the pin post. You will get the withdrawal proofs from there. Now, trust me when I say you'll be getting withdrawals from this particular account, and I want that person to be you. So now, to get the link to this particular website, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video. Take it to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join. You have to click on join to get to my Telegram channel so that you don't miss out on the details and information that I'll be giving you regarding every deposit bonus that you need to know. Now, once you click on join, you go ahead and click on the link that will bring you right to the interface where you have to sign up and register an account with them. So this is where you need to sign up. You sign up, register an account with them. Once you do that, then you can now go ahead and log into your dashboard. Now, showing on the screen is the chart that I had with the support. As you can see, everything, this is all you need to know concerning this particular no deposit bonus account. And I'll also be telling you the terms and conditions that you need to know in making withdrawals from this particular account. And trust me, I'm sure you are all familiar with this particular account, this Edway account, but this is a different no deposit bonus. Now, to get the account, all you have to do is just click on claim your new bonus $150. As you can see right here, you click on it, and after clicking on it, you have to verify your account. You have to verify your account to get this particular no deposit bonus started. Now, to verify your account, you click on verify now and get started with your verification. Now, this particular account, you'll be earning $15 every single day. As you can see, you'll be getting it every single day for the next 7 days. This no deposit bonus account is valid for 7 days, and there's a way you'll be trading the account. From Monday to Tuesday, you have to be trading the Forex. As you can see, Monday to Tuesday, you trade Forex. Your Wednesday to Thursday, you trade stocks. Friday, you trade metals and oil. Then Saturday and Sunday, you have to trade your crypto and synthetics. So this is what you need to do to get withdrawals from this particular no deposit bonus account. And as you can see right here, as I said earlier, you don't have to make deposits to get withdrawals from this particular no deposit bonus account. No deposit, and when you're claiming the account too, you don't have to make deposits from this particular account. This is not the bonus where you have to make deposit before you can make your profit, before you can withdraw your profit rather. All you have to do is just trade with their terms and conditions, reach the target, then you can go ahead and withdraw your profit without having to make any deposit from this particular bonus. Now, let's head to how you can get this particular no deposit bonus account. Now, after verifying your account, you have to put in your details right here to verify your account. So after putting in details, you submit request, you click on submit request, and after a few minutes, your account will be verified, as you can see right showing on the screen. So the next thing I need to do now is to click on that claim 150 no deposit bonus account, as you can see right here. Then you click on start bonus. You click on start bonus. Showing on the screen is your day. So as you can see, for today, today's instrument will be trading metals and oil. Then you click on start to trade, as you can see right here. Then after that, this is what you have showing on your screen. Now, all information about your account will be available here soon, and this is your day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. This is where it will be showing, as you can see right here. Now, as you can see, your balance is still 0. So now, after some times, your information will come back here, as you can see, to be available here soon. Now, all you need to do right here now is to just refresh this page. you have to refresh, and showing on the screen is my login details that I will use it to trade in my MetaTrader 5. Now all you have to do is just copy this login details, add to your MetaTrader 5. As you can see right here, the server is Headway Real. Then after putting your details, you click on login. Now you can see showing on the screen is the $15 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading with without having to make deposits. As you can see right on the dashboard, your $15 is now very active. As you can see the balance. Now all you have to do is just trade today's, and the one for the next day will be unlocked. As you can see, when you complete today's task, the next one will be unlocked. Now this is all you need to know concerning this no deposit bonus account showing on the screen. Now thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you are able to get yours from this particular account. Now do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.